Okay, we've got the computer posted. We ran through the little easy tuning wizard, which overclocked the computer just a little bit. And now everything seems to be working fine. The last step is to install Windows 10. So I wanted to share a tip and kind of share with you the procedure here. So you can buy Windows 10 64-bit Professional from Windows for about $120 to $150, depending on what kind of deal you get from them. Or you can go to a website called Kinguin. I'll put a link in the video description for that. But Kinguin is a code reseller. You can buy game codes there, you can buy Windows 10 codes, and probably even Office codes there. And I got this code for $32.89. Pretty significant discount. What people do is they buy these Windows 10 keys for including with computers in bulk, and then they resell them on this website called Kinguin, and I have bought several from there and they've always worked, and many other people who are YouTube creators have bought these keys. So what you do is you buy your key, and then you go to Windows. You can Google make Windows installation USB drive. You download a little program to another computer and put in a pen drive and tell it to install the Windows 10 installation files to the pen drive. So what I'm doing here is I'm just putting it into one of these USB slots on the front of the computer, and then I'm going to reboot and see if it detects this Windows 10 installation media here, and then just get that process started. So I'm going to hit save and exit down here at the bottom of the screen. Okay. And it should detect this bootable pen drive and start the Windows 10 installation process. And that's going to involve a lot of installation, waiting, and rebooting. Let's hold our breath. And there we go, Windows logo. So at this point, you just follow the prompts, tell it what country you're in, what time zone, you know the drill if you've ever done this before. And then when you're done, at some point, Windows is going to ask you for an installation key, and then you're probably going to have to do two things: enter the installation key, and then probably call Microsoft to actually activate that key. But it shouldn't be a problem. Just be patient, and it should work for you. So if you have any questions about your own process for building a computer, I'm not an expert, but I do know a thing or two, having built 15 or 20 computers over the last 20 or 25 years. I'll be happy to try to direct you in the right direction if I can be of help. But good luck. Give it a try. It's not all that difficult, but try to be patient. Read the darn manual. This is Berkey Academy signing out. Bye-bye now.